Hey guys, today I'm at Roblox right now, and these are my two friends over here. They are right over here. This is Carolyn and that is Chris. Well, they're both girls except so they're both girls except one's just like that. So I'm super excited and okay, I want to say you look like your dad. So here, I'll have to say look. Hey. KDB baby. Yes, except. And I'm going to switch the baby. And this is gonna be super cute. Please. Oh god. What's happening? Okay. I wonder. Oh, is Carolyn? Okay. Hi. I wonder what she's doing to me. Okay. What's happening? Okay, let me go to my friend there. This is Yaster? I've been fooled all the time. That looks like my friend. Carolyn. What? Crazy? What? Okay. Hey, what? Okay, I have like being fooled right now. I've been playing with Roblox with my best friend, Annabelle, and wait. Ooh, hold up. Help. In progress. Oh no. What the heck? Okay. Let's see what's inside here. Ooh, I like this place. I actually really like it. That's me over there. I hate being small. Oh, I really like this little dream place. Don't you guys think? This is actually super adorable. Look at this. This is so cute. Don't you guys admit? I got to. I have to. I need to. Okay, this is just a bit too cute for me. I mean, yes, I am cute, of course, myself. Okay. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. Why? Why do I need... Okay, I'm out of here. I'm not being with you, Caroline. Or whoever that got. Oh no, she's following me. Help. Oh no. No. I need her to go. I need to go. Oh my god. Look, it's the extreme hide and seek. Okay, God, this is scary. Oh no! It's so silly. Crashed into each other. Ah! Oh my god. Did you not just see that? Oh no, my goodness. Oh my god. Oh, fine. Okay, that was just crazy. Fine, I lied to you. Right. You wanted me, so I'm gonna ride on you. Right? This is extreme. Too extreme. Okay. What? You're the guy being pregnant. Okay, I'm getting up. Why? I'm out of here. Oh my god, I'm so scared. You know what? Okay, you know what? I'm getting out of this family. No, this is so creepy. I don't like to be in here. That's too creepy. Help. I'm gonna stay here. Just in case. Just in case if they find me. I'm gonna stay here. In case. Probably. No! They found me. Fine. And you know what? I'm gonna dress up. Switch to parent. Sorry. I don't like it. Well, what? You can't hold me now. What? What they're doing. Okay, I'm gonna go run. Bye. I'm out. Okay, I'm going up the tree. Bye. Look, I'm literally up the tree. I know it's kind of weird, but for in case property. Oh, why is Tris here? Oh no. Oh no. I don't like it. I don't like it. Run! Help! Okay, thank goodness I thought that was my mom too. My god. I'm creepy. I am so freaked out right now. You know what? I don't think they'll ever notice me in this place. Nope. I'm not gonna go in here. Okay. I don't think they'll ever notice me in this place. Inside here. Okay. Why they do this to me? Why did they do this to me? Oh, I'm out. I don't like to be here. I don't even want to be here. Ooh, this place is cute. Talk to me. Fine. Stop. Hold me. Hold me. Stop. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna leave this family. Yes. Great family. Catch up. Okay. I'm gonna invite to family. Yes. Stop. Picking me up and okay, I'm going to turn into a kid. Switch to baby. Cancel. Oh yes, they're finally leaving me alone, right? Yes, they're leaving me alone. I'm just too happy to say the word. Yay, I'm free! I'm free! you guys just see that? Okay. Oh no. Okay. Okay, that's Chris there. Okay, so there's gonna definitely be a part 2. I don't think it's gonna ever take it over. Okay. Yay, finally she picked me up. It's actually a she, except he's just in a boy costume. Okay, why is he taking so long to get up there? Okay. Where's my mom? Where's that stupid mom? Okay, where in the world is my mom? In here. What the heck? Who's where? I'm in your hand. Duh. Okay, I think she's finding the mom. Let me see where is she? Easter goes. I'll go here. Easter. Who's this guy? Alright. Who's that guy? Was that my ex? What the heck? Oh my gosh. No! 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 Oh god. Wait. Oh my goodness. This is creepy. Okay. Okay, so you guys have to stay till. Okay, see you next time, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so now I'm right over here at home, and these are my previous two family members, and this guy, who is my uncle for some reason. I have no clue what is going on. Gee. What? For me? What the heck? What? That's my dad. That's my dad. That's my dad. Oh, what? What's wrong with him? What's wrong with her? I mean, what's wrong with them? Why is he up? You want to hi? No kitty. Who is that person? Yeah, who in the world is that person? Your second. What? No, how can I not talk to my dad? Weird story. That other guy. Yeah. It's sleepy. I'm gonna sleep. So first is dad. Sleep. I'm actually pretty happy with myself. Why is he teleporting to me? Gee. Crazy guy. Oh my goodness. Okay, that guy is just creepy. Where is the world of Snowball? Snowball's gone. Okay, you guys are gonna stay till the end, and this is part 2. See you guys later. Bye.